This is a huge commission you don't want to miss. Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. Today I'm going to be working on a commission. It's on a 30-inch by 72-inch canvas. Really large. That's 6 feet wide. But it was such a joy to work on and I love the way it turned out. So keep watching to the end to see exactly how I did this. Okay, so this is the 30-inch by 72-inch canvas. It's a gallery wrap that is 76 centimeters by 182 centimeters. That would be 6 feet wide. So it's a very large canvas and it's commissioned, like I said. So needless to say, this huge canvas took a lot of paint, and you'll see that I keep adding and adding and adding. As I always do, I have a very clear idea of how I want the painting to look like, and I pour the paint down with that vision in my mind. These are really gorgeous classic colors. They go so well together, and it did turn out so beautifully. I was very happy with it, and the client was thrilled as well. I've had this hairdryer for a very long time. You can see that it's covered in paint. The cord is as well full of paint, but it's been wonderful. It's never broken down, and I highly recommend it. If you're interested in it, the description area has a link to it. I also have a link to the paint that I use in the description area as well, so if you're interested in doing it, you can do exactly how I did this. The client wanted an abstract painting, and even though it's abstract, when you're looking at it, you can still see some kind of maybe mountains, or at the very end I'll show you that there's kind of a dragon there, so it's really interesting what the mind picks up on. As you can see, this did take a long time to blow out, and if you're doing this at home, you got to be careful not to over mix, because then you get muddied colors, and that's not good. So just take your time and relax with it and enjoy the process. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. I've mentioned this in my other videos, but it's worth saying again that when you are blowing, you should be blowing on a low speed and on cool. Do not heat the paint. I wasn't sure whether I should add this extra gold there, but it did work out really beautifully, and I'm so glad that I did. Okay, so here it is from my side, and I hope she likes it. I've tried to do as she says, the 3 colors, gold, white, black, but the black has to be kind of soft and soft all around. And I've got some beautiful areas here. Absolutely love it. Look at that. Now it's still wet. This is from my side, and when it's dry, I'll take another video and I'll show you what it looks like. But yeah, I think it looks beautiful. Look at that. I love this. Gorgeous. All right, so this will probably take 2-3 days at least. There's a lot of paint there, and I will take another video when it is completely dry. So I'll see you in a second. So here it is, 3 days later, it is dry, and I absolutely love the way it looks. It is so beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Look at this. Wow. I think the client will love it too. I love the gold. And as you move around, you can see the shine to it. Look at that. It is gorgeous. I am so very happy with this. Really, really beautiful. So many gorgeous details. And this area here, to me, kind of looks like a dragon. 2 eyes there, I don't know. Let me know what you think, if that's what you see, or maybe you see something totally different. Anyway, that's what it is, 30 by 72. Another huge commission. If you click on the link you see now, you'll be able to see a lot more of my art. Check out my new Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist. Amazing abstracts and pours promote your art. The link is in the description area below.